Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. This is a tips video of Chromebook keyboard shortcuts. You can use the keyboard shortcuts to accomplish tasks more quickly. This video will show you the keyboard shortcuts about tabs and windows. First tip is to open new window. From your keyboard, just hold down Ctrl and press on the letter N. So you can see that your screen is opening a new window and you can insert any link or website you want to go to. And the second tip is about to open a new window in Incognito mode. You just need to hold down Shift, Ctrl and press on the letter N. So now you can see that your screen is opening a new window in Incognito mode. You can browse privately and other people who use this device won't see your activity. With the keyboard shortcuts, the third tip is about to open new tab. You just need to hold down Ctrl and press on the letter T. So you can see that your screen is opening new tab. We move to the fourth tip, which is to close the current tab. From your keyboard, just hold down Ctrl and press on the letter W. Then the current tab is closed. Next, the fifth tip is about to close the current window. You just need to hold down Ctrl, Shift and press on the letter W. So now the current window is closed. And the sixth tip is to reopen the last tab or window you closed. Just hold down Ctrl, Shift and press on the letter T. And the closed tab or window will open again. So all those tips are all about to open and close tabs and windows. I hope the tip could help you to accomplish tasks quickly. Thank you. Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So this is basically a manual video on how to set up cloud printing devices